Today we're going to be talking to a very special guest. One of my favorite household items. And that would be Mr. Candle. Okay, you ready? Here he comes. Here he comes. Sorry. Hi guys. Hold on. Hi guys. My name's Mr. Candle, and I love my life. I like it a lot. I get to do a lot of cool stuff. I sit around the house like all day long, and it's kind of boring because the people, they don't like me to be, lively like this when they're not around. They say it's a fire hazard and stuff, but I really like to be hot and bothered. But I don't really like to bother people, but I like the way I smell, and I really like to bird. So yeah, I like it. I like it a lot, and I think everybody needs one of me in their life, because I just ignite the happiness right into your life. Okay? Alright. Nice to meet ya. Well, that was Mr. Candle. But I gotta go. Bye.